Do you know that? You stretch your fingers or turn your neck and suddenly crack. But is that dangerous? Let's find out. Many people believe that cracking joints cause osteoarthritis. That's a myth. Studies show that the noise is usually caused by gas bubbles in the joint fluid. Completely harmless. But be careful. If the cracking is accompanied by pain or restricted movement, you should have it checked out. This could be due to muscle tension or joint problems. So, if it just cracks, don't panic. If it hurts, get it checked. Share the video so that more people know the truth. Fire.